DIY Car Dent and Scratch Repair, a practical guide. Introduction. Minor dents and scratches on your car can be frustrating, but the good news is that many small imperfections can be repaired yourself with the right tools and techniques. In this video, we'll explore the steps for DIY car dent and scratch repair, helping you save money and restore your vehicle's appearance. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Assess the damage. Before you start any repairs, take a close look at the dent or scratch to determine its size and depth. Minor dents and scratches are typically less than a quarter-inch deep and cover a small area. Larger or more extensive damage may require professional attention. Gather the necessary tools and materials. For minor dent and scratch repairs, you'll need the following tools and materials. Touch-up paint. Match the paint color of your car using the paint code located on the driver's side door jamb or in your owner's manual. Primer. A quality automotive primer that adheres well to metal or plastic surfaces. Clear coat. Automotive clear coat spray for sealing and protecting the paint. Sanding blocks. Fine grit sandpaper, e.g. 1000 to 2000 grit, or sanding blocks. Polishing compound, to restore the shine after sanding and painting. Painter's tape, to mask off the area around the repair. Microfiber cloths, for cleaning and polishing. Dent puller or suction cup, for dents. These can help pull out minor dents. Applicators, brushes, foam brushes, or paint pens for applying paint and primer. Clean the area. Before starting any repairs, clean the damaged area thoroughly using soap and water. Remove any dirt, wax, or debris to ensure proper adhesion of the paint and primer. Assess the dent repair. For dents, if you have a minor dent, you can attempt to repair it yourself using a dent puller or suction cup. Apply the dent puller or suction cup to the center of the dent. Slowly and steadily pull the dent outward until it pops back into place. Be patient and avoid using excessive force. Sand the scratch or dent. For scratches, use fine grit sandpaper or a sanding block to gently sand the damaged area. Sand until the scratch is smooth and the edges are feathered. For dents, sand the area around the dent to ensure proper paint adhesion. Apply primer. Apply a thin, even coat of automotive primer to the sanded area. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for drying times, which typically range from 15 minutes to an hour. Apply touch-up paint. Using a brush or paint pen, carefully apply a small amount of touch-up paint to cover the primed area. Apply multiple thin coats, allowing each coat to dry before applying the next one. This helps achieve a smooth and even finish. Allow the paint to dry. Once you've applied the final coat of touch-up paint, let it dry completely. This can take several hours, so be patient to ensure the paint fully cures. Sand and buff. Optional if you notice any imperfections or roughness in the painted area. You can wet sand it gently with a high grit sandpaper, e.g. 2000 grit, to smooth it out. Follow up with a polishing compound to restore the shine. Apply clear coat. To protect the new paint and give it a glossy finish, apply a clear coat. Follow the same process as with the touch-up paint, applying multiple thin coats and allowing each one to dry. Final polish. After the clear coat has dried, use a polishing compound to blend the repaired area with the surrounding paint. This step helps achieve a seamless finish. Clean and wax. Once you're satisfied with the repair, clean the entire area and apply a coat of wax to protect the paint and maintain its shine. Evaluate the results. Stand back and assess the repair. If done correctly, minor dents and scratches should be significantly less visible or even completely gone. Practice patience. Remember that DIY dent and scratch repair may not yield professional results, but it can be a cost-effective way to improve the appearance of your car. It's essential to have realistic expectations, and if you're not satisfied with the outcome, consider seeking professional help for more extensive or challenging damage. Conclusion. Repairing minor dents and scratches on your car can be a rewarding DIY project, saving you money and improving your vehicle's appearance. By following the steps outlined in this guide and practicing patience and attention to detail, you can achieve satisfactory results. However, for more extensive damage or if you're not confident in your skills, it's always wise to consult a professional auto body shop for expert assistance. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.